Dear children, you all know that we should be careful and alert to avoid any injuries because most of the injuries or accidents occur due to carelessness. So, we should always take care of ourselves and others. And to avoid injuries, we should always follow some safety rules. Whether we are at home, school, swimming pool, on the playground, or on the road. So, let us learn some safety rules which will help us to keep safe at home, school, and other places. So, let us first discuss about various safety rules that should be followed by you at home. First of all, do not run in the house because if you run in the house, you may either fall down or bump into the furniture and get hurt. Do not take medicines without any adults or doctor's advice. It may lead to serious health hazards. Children, you should not talk to strangers. And do you know who is a stranger? Stranger is a person whom you have not seen earlier or your parents have not introduced them to you. And apart from this, children, never open the door for the strangers. Always try to see the visitor through the hole before you open the door because you are not aware that who is standing on the other side of the door. It can be a stranger or it can be a danger too. So, before opening the door, it is better to ask that who is at the other side of the door. Also, do not eat anything given by the strangers because there are cases where children like you take the gifts like toy or any eatables from the stranger or you can say unknown person. And after that, stranger becomes your friend and may take advantage of you or may harm you. So, never eat or take anything given by the strangers. I think many of you are very fond of eating fruits, but you should not throw fruit or vegetable peels on the ground. Maybe you or anybody else may slip on them and get hurt. Do not spill water or oil on the floor. You may slip on it and hurt yourself. Children, you should not jump from a table, chair, bed, or any other furniture because if you will jump from the furnitures, you may fall down and hurt yourself. After playing or reading, you should not leave your toys and books on the floor. This is because either you or someone else may trip over them and get hurt. You should always try to use a stool or a ladder to reach something placed at a certain height where your hands cannot reach easily. Do not try to open the jammed window with your fingers. Now, let's discuss the safety measures that should be followed while working in the kitchen. Children, you should not play with fire or near gas stoves as you may get burnt. Always have elders with you while lighting the gas stove or doing any experiment. Do not touch any hot utensils kept in the kitchen. You may burn yourself by doing so. Never try to light the gas stove in the absence of adults. Do not play with sharp objects like knives, blades, scissors, etc. as you may hurt yourself or other playing with you. As synthetic clothes catch fire easily, so try to wear cotton clothes while working near gas stoves or playing with firecrackers. And In case of a gas leakage, we should open all the doors and windows to let the gas out. You should not operate any electrical appliance and do not light the fire in case of a gas leakage. Let's discuss about the safety rules in the bathroom. Children, bathroom floor should always be kept dry as someone may easily slip on the wet floor. So, be careful while walking on the wet bathroom floor. You should not leave soap or shampoo on the floor as you or someone else might slip or trip over them and get hurt. Now, we will talk about the safety rules to be followed while handling the electrical switch or electrical appliances. First of all, you should not play with any electrical wires or electrical switchboards. Also, do not touch electrical wires, switches, and plugs with wet hands. You may get an electric shock by doing this. And children, in case if a person gets an electric shock, the first thing to be done in this case is immediately switch off the main power supply to cut off the flow of electricity.